Some days ago, I was trying to find a new content for my channel. Then I visited Mortal's channel and saw his channel banner. After some research, I found that there is no any tutorial about how to make a banner like Mortal. So today I will create a banner like Mortal. I know that the video is little bit longer, but if you want to learn something new, then watch this video till end. So let us start with our today's topic, how to make a banner like Mortal by using Pixellab and kinemaster. Okay, first of all open Pixellab. We have to create an abstract shape like this. Delete the text. Add a shape. Change the rectangle into a triangle. Make a copy of the triangle. Select the 3D rotate option and change the y-axis to 180 or -180. Click on edit and change the size of the triangle. Align the triangles properly. Choose the triangles one by one and click on color option. Make a gradient like me. By the way, I am not good at gradient making. Choose another one and click on this button. Then merge the triangles. Make a copy of it. Make the triangle more thinner and align it properly. Also change the gradient. Make the background transparent and save it. I hope you will also make this type of abstract shapes. You have to make a shape like this. Just see what I am doing and you can also make this shape. Make the background transparent and save it. Merge all the layers. Add the logo and set the stroke weight at 1. Again, add other logos and place it properly. Create a new shape and change the shape and color of the shape like me. Make 2 copies and place it. import the social media icons. After that, change the text and also change font and color of the text. Make the background transparent and save it once. Select YouTube thumbnail size or YouTube banner size. Then add the character image. Make the background transparent and save it once. After that, change the character PNG color into a solid color. You can select any color. Create a new shape and make it bigger as it can cover all the area. Select the color that is not on the character's body. Send the rectangle shape to back. After that, merge the layers. Enable erase color option and select the color that you added on your character image. Now save it. Okay, now it's time to edit in KineMaster. Select the color as a background. Add the character image as a layer and make it full screen. Again, select the solid color as a layer and change the color. Enable cropping option and select the triangle shape. Make a copy of the shape and change the color. Then go to cropping option and select opposite sided triangle. Now place it properly. Set the feather of both the shapes to 50. Then select blending and change it to soft light. After that, import this PNG and make it full screen. Click on this button and capture a frame. Again, create a new project. Add the black color as a background. Make the black color slightly bright. Then add the format of YouTube banner. Add this photo and place it properly. Go to Effects and select Gaussian Blur. After that, add this photo and place it in front of this shadow. Import the abstract triangle shape and place it anywhere. Send it to back and make a duplicate of it. You can change the color of the shape by changing the hue. By making duplicate, you can add it anywhere. Also import other shapes. Then add the KineMaster captured character image. Enable chroma key. Write your channel name and change font. Decrease the opacity. And then capture a frame. After some color grading in Lightroom, it will look like this. So that's it for today. If you have any question about this video, then comment below. And also follow me on Instagram. This is my username. If you need a gaming phone pack, then click on the end screen video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row, but soon